go to the fishing. As you can see, you can put it anywhere. I actually caught a few fish today. So you wanna sorry for making too much noise, but put all of that, like you put the fishing line there. You see, I got a ton of fish. So you saw that line? Here, I'll do it again. You have to tap and make sure it hits the green. So now what we have to do, some fish shells and everything. And yeah, you're gonna talk to him. But make sure to press the sell button. So you want to press sell items and sell all the items you catch. And it's very easy to get shells too. So when I press sell, you have to wait. See how much money I got? I'm gonna get 34 gems. And look how much I just got. See, I got a lot.